Hello, everybody. We're doing another audit on Mr. AC Hampton. Seriously, please watch this video before you do any drop shipping 2026. So let's listen into this for a little bit, then I'll get into the audit.
You're thinking about starting dropshipping this year, or you're already started and you're staring at a store that isn't doing what the videos promise, this video is meant for you. Because there are 5 things that I wish somebody had looked me in the eye and told me before I spent my first dollar in this game. Nobody told me any of this. I had to figure it out myself. And 8 years later, I'm now
What he figured out is how to scam you guys out of your money. Okay. So give him credit. Drop shipping is a legitimate thing. It is a very saturated market. You know, this, he says in the beginning, he's warning you about drop shipping. I'm giving you a warning. This is a D video only because the idea is actually a viable idea. Okay. The kill number is $250,000. His student claimed 4-month result. We're going to walk through the numbers that falls apart. Basically, everything he says in here just drops away right underneath his feet. So let's keep going on. Okay. Credit first. I do get credit when it's due. So he does admit dropping shipping is a treadmill, the 2 to 3 months on camera. Most people won't say it, so I give him credit for that. He admits his own first sale lost money, also very rare. Give you credit for that, AC. He tells people just want to grab a quick cash and click off the video. Yeah, it's not a quick it's not a get rich quick in any way, shape, or form. That's why they got a D and not an F. I give the man credit where the math supports it. And then the audit, I'll audit the rest of the deal. Okay. So let's get into the audit here. Okay. Breakdown. Okay, his own words. The student is a 14-year-old. The student's first product did about 10,000 and got shut down from DMCA. Takedowns, copyright strikes. That means many of the products were drawing IP complaints. So he's basically giving you false hope. Okay, like he usually does. The fix, in his own words, were rebrand the product, same product, new name. You're still going to get tagged, AC. Come on. They're going to find it. The claim over the 250,000 in 4 months plus 50,000 every single month coming from a monthly recurring revenue, no supporting documentation or no supporting backup. Okay. Monthly recurring revenue on dropshipping product. Nothing in the video explains what recurs subscription, reorders, and he doesn't say anything about that. That's a surprise there. Every figure is revenue, not ad spend, not product cost, not margin on a story used to sell mentorship access. Yeah, so he wants you basically to jump into his crap and join his little merry band of idiots and try to believe his actually idea works. Okay. So profit never appears, not once in almost 11 minutes. 10 million in sales, 50 million from clients, 5,000 in 5 days. 250,000 in 4 months, all revenue. No backup of what you actually made. Anything like revenue returns, what you got charged back, anything like that. Okay. So let's go ahead and get back in. We're going to get a little farther into this thing. So the 10 million in 8 years, $10 million in sales, do the division. That's an average about 1.25 million a year in revenue before ad spends, not product costs, not nothing. But makes you wonder which pays better, the stories or the coaching. That's where he's making his money, is the coaching, because you guys get suckered in and believe it's a good thing to do. Okay. The $50 million client has a done combined total of over 50 million combined across how many clients over how many years, verified by whom. He doesn't say who it's borrowed proof. He has no backup. Again, no backup on this one. Okay. The C cushion, 5,000 in 5 days, revenue, not ad spend attached, no product cost. He tells you the data is queen and then hands you the number without no data behind it. Yeah, that's what I keep trying to tell you guys. They show you the fluffy front side, but they don't show you the back end where the shit gets done and where you lose your money. The tuition line. He tells you to write down the exact dollar amount you're willing to lose. So losing it feels like a tuition. Okay, so you want to lose money? I don't know about you, but I'm not in business to lose money ever. Meanwhile, 6 of the tools he profits from sit in his description with his personal discount code. When you spend, he earns. Yeah, basically, you spend the money to join his merry band of goofballs. He wins, you lose. Okay, the course line. He says nobody is selling you a course, and when we'll say it out loud, scroll down the description. Blueprint 6.0, a course plus the Launchpad, a one-on-one coaching. He's the no somebody. He's trying to sell it. He tells you he's not selling, but he is. So I'm telling you guys, another BS scam artist. Okay. He says the drop shipping is a cycle, resets every 2 to 3 months. Product dies, you start over. Then his flagship student permanently escapes the cycle in 4 months at 14 after a shutdown. Really? Come on. Do the math. The numbers on this just say avoid it. Avoid anything that AC's given you. It's just a waste of your time and money. He tells you not to expect profit in 2 weeks. Then he shows you 5,000 and by 5 days, contradicting himself again. Both timelines can't be realistic expectation. Pick one, AC. You're not giving everybody, you're just giving them misleading information. Okay, the funnel. Here's where he gets you to jump into his little merry band of idiots. So the most crucial action step is the whole video is downloading the 100% free cheat sheet. It's a think shorter and captures your email. Basically, it just sucks you in. The description under the warning is being a beginner's video, a coaching application, 2 paid programs, 6 affiliate tool links, an own promo, 2 credit card affiliate placements. Why aren't you guys seeing this? None of the paid relations get mentioned on camera. The video's on top of the funnel. You're the lead. Basically, he's getting your information. One direct question watching this free guide: ever actually change the results? Tell me. All right. So again, this one gets a D. It is actually a viable idea. Just what you're getting is somebody like AC that's going to try and sell you a bunch of BS stuff. The method is real. Drop shipping is a brand, is a legitimate path. And Hampton is more honest about the grind than most. I give him credit for that. But he had audits to run the numbers. Every number in this video revenue is dressed up as proof. Until you show the profit line, the grade still stands as a D. He's just making, BS. So again, come on, people. Really? You don't sign up for his programs. Don't sign up for his products. It's a waste of your time and money. Ask Claude, ask Chat what to do. And you're going to anticipate you're going to take 2 or 3 months, maybe longer, before you start making money. But you're going to spend money to get to there. All right. Looking forward to the next video. Thanks for watching.